we have show that the following are inverses of each other. So let's go ahead and multiply. When you multiply those two, let's go ahead and multiply. Okay, row times column, so it's 3 times 1. I'm just going to put the number now. 3 times 1 is 3. Negative 2 times 1 is negative 2. Right? Now let me go ahead and multiply. First row, second column. So now I'm going to multiply by the second column. 3 times 2 is 6. Negative 2 times 3 is negative 6. Now let's multiply second row, first column. Negative 1 times 1 is negative 1. 1 times 1, it's 1. Second row, second column. Negative 2 plus 3. When you simplify all of that, that gives you 1, 0, 0, and 1. So are those two equal to each other? I mean, equal to the identity matrix? They're equal to the identity matrix, right? Okay. So then in this case, let me tell you this. This is the A matrix, this is the B matrix. So A times B is the identity matrix. Yes. No, because negative 2 plus 3 is positive. Now, what I need to show also, because the property says, the theorem says, if A times B is the identity and B times A is the identity, then they're inverses of each other. So we have to check for the second combination. Let me find out. Let me put first B. Let me put the B matrix, which is 1, 1, 2, 3. This is the B matrix. And the A is 3, negative 1, negative 2, and 1. This is the A matrix. So when I multiply now B times A, because I need to show what B times A is, it's got to be the same thing. So let's multiply. 1 times 3 is 3. 2 times negative 1, negative 2. 1 times negative 2, negative 2. 2 times 1 is 2. Second row, first column. 1 times 3 is 3. 3 times negative 1 is negative 3. 1 times negative 2 is negative 2. 3 times 1 is 3. Are you following me? Do you know where I'm getting the numbers?
So you just switched the B and the A?
All I did, I multiplied the row times the column. I got this. The row times the second. Yeah, I'm just row times column, row times column. I got that. All we got to do is just simplify that. So let's simplify. What is 3 minus 2? 1, 0, 0, and 1. Okay, so are those inverses of each other? Yes, so what you need to put at the conclusion, you need to say, okay, therefore, AB equals BA, and that is equals to the identity. I'm gonna put here, since this is equal to the identity, comma, then A and B are inverses of each other. A and B are inverses of each other. And this is like an informal proof. You're showing that the product of both of them equal to the identity, therefore they're inverses of each other, and that's it. Any questions about this? No? Getting okay so far? Next. On the next one we have, okay, finding the inverse matrix. When you find the inverse matrix, yes. So what I have is, they're saying A equals the matrix of 1, 2, 3, and 4. So my matrix, A to the negative 1, and here guys, this is the same thing as, this is my A, my B, my C, and my D. So first I need to follow the formula. 1 over, God bless you, A times D, 1 times 4, A is 1, D is 4, minus the product of B times C, well, that is 2 times 3, So all I'm doing is just following the formula for inverse matrices. And then they're saying switch A and D, so switch the 1 and the 4. Change the signs for B and C. So instead of a positive 3 is negative 3, and this is a negative 2. Okay, I just follow the formula that it was given to me. Now, let me simplify that. 1 times 4, it's 4. Negative 2 times 3, minus 6. And let me just recopy the matrix for right now. 4, negative 2, negative 3, and 1. Okay, now let me just simplify that. 4 minus 6, is that negative 2? Right? So that is the same thing. Let me just rewrite it, okay? Let me just recopy. 4, negative 2, negative 3, and 1. So that is the same thing as negative 1/2, right? When you have the negative on the bottom and the top, it's the same thing as being in the middle. Right, now let's distribute that negative 1/2 times 4. So what is negative 1/2 times 4? Negative 2. Right, it's just half of 4. Negative 1/2 times negative 3, because I need to distribute it also with this one. So that's positive 1.5. Positive 1.5. Now, negative 1/2 times negative 2. Positive 1. Negative 1/2 times 1. Negative 0.5. And that is my matrix function. My inverse matrix. And that's the answer. So here, you're going to have 1 over A times D, which is 5, minus B times C, which is 6. You switch the order of A and D, so it's 5, 1, and change the sign of B and C. Now you simplify. 5 minus 6 is negative 1. 1 divided by negative 1. Just recopy. I'm already on second period, guys. That's why it's a little noisy. So from here, that is equals to negative 1 times the matrix. And then you just distribute. So the final answer here, it's negative 5, 3, 2, and negative 1. And that is the inverse function. So inverse function, final answer, equals negative 5, 3, 2, negative 1. Please complete the worksheet that you have as a homework assignment. Have a good day.